So, before we embark on the course, I'm going to talk a bit about what is data science. Now that you have enrolled for the course, presumably you want to learn about data science and start working with data science using Python. But then what is data science? Because now data science, it means different things to different people, and as soon as the word data science is uttered, a lot of people, they use it interchangeably with machine learning, and that is partially correct because machine learning, now as you can see this figure, is an integral component of data science. But machine learning and data science, they are not the same thing. For a lot of people, data science means neurocomputing and things like neural networks. Fair enough. Again, neurocomputing is a part of data science and it is not the whole of data science. So then what is data science? Now data science is an interdisciplinary field which is used to process, analyze and derive insights from different types of data. It relies on a plethora of techniques including visualization, statistics and machine learning, and you can see all of these here, things like machine learning, visualization, statistics, neurocomputing, all of them feed into data science and in turn help us make sense of the different types of data out there in this world. So data science, it is a sum of a lot of parts and it is a massively interdisciplinary field. So there's no one discipline or field which can claim to be the whole of data science. And now out of the different families and topics within data science, so for a lot of people, they work with databases and data processes and that makes them data scientists. Fair enough. But out of all of these families within data science, some families such as exploratory data analyses, data visualization, statistics and machine learning are needed for almost all data science roles. So if you want to work as a professional data scientist in any capacity, you may or may not know about databases or about pattern recognition, but you are almost always expected to know about visualization, statistics and machine learning. And to be very fair, things like exploratory data analyses, visualization, statistics, machine learning, they really overlap with each other and they really feed into each other. So in this course, I'm actually going to introduce you to these foundational building blocks of data science, and by the time you complete this course, you will be proficient in the most important and fundamental aspects of data science, and that will prepare you for almost all the data science roles out there in Python. And with this is the philosophy of this course, and in the next lecture I'm going to introduce myself and talk you a bit more about what this course is all about, so you may make up your mind and you will get a feel of what we are going to tackle, and then we are actually going to crack on with the intricacies of data science in the subsequent sections.